In this video, I'm showing you how to easily peel and chop garlic. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. First, take that head of garlic and we're going to peel back some of those layers. There's a lot of layers, so this is just gonna kind of help us keep it neat and clean. And then just go ahead and get rid of those flaky layers there. And now I'm just gonna peel back some of the garlic cloves. Remove a few of those, and then see that root end there? We're going to take our chef's knife and we're going to cut that off. And this is going to help release the individual cloves. Now, if some of them still have the root end on, go ahead and chop that root end off. Take the flat end of your knife and you're going to put some pressure on it. That's going to release the clove so it can easily come out like that. So go ahead and repeat this until you've done it with all the cloves. Don't be scared to apply some pressure. You can kind of smash it a little bit. Then take your little bowl like this, and now we're just going to peel all of them and throw them in our little prep bowl. I'm going to show you how to chop them up after that. Go ahead, apply some more pressure if needed. You can kind of give it a little hit. Now clean up your board, and you should have all the cloves released now. They're all peeled and ready to chop. So to slice it, go ahead and just take your chef knife using a rocking motion and then just slice them up like so. Go slow if you're a beginner, otherwise you can always chop it quickly like that. And boom, you have some garlic slices. Next, I'm going to show you how to mince it. So same kind of technique, you're going to use a rocking motion to do that, but now you're going to push into a little pile and you're going to keep going over it. See how I'm putting my left hand, the opposite hand, flat on top of the blade? This kind of just helps direct the knife and reinforce it. So go ahead and wipe the blade, put it into a pile, and keep chopping. And you're going to repeat until it's the size that you need. So usually a mince, you want it more fine than this. So you can see I'm just kind of, there we go, repeating until you have minced garlic. And it's as simple as that. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Happy eating.